Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to configure MQTT Driver. To know more about MQTT Driver, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search LT MQTT Driver. Click on Open. Click on Save and Close. Go to Process and click on Start All. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, MQTT, MQTT Subscriber. Click on plus icon and enter the device name. Enter the general details like IP address, port number, etc. To determine if a connection has been established in an MQTT client, check the connection status. Enter the security details like user credentials. If you want to enable basic authentication using username and password, then tick the checkbox. For SSL, tick the Enable SSL checkbox. If you want to enable certificate authentication, you can tick the checkbox. For subscription, click on plus icon, enter the name of subscription. Also select the payload option. Tick on Enable Client, click on Save and Close. Open the Tag Editor window. Open the desired tag. Right-click on desired tag, click on Insert Config, then Channel Setting. Select the driver type as MQTT Driver. Go to Channel tab, select the server name, topic name from drop-down. Also enter the point name. Driver instance should be same as the instance in Process Manager. Tick the Enable checkbox and click on Save. MQTT Driver configuration is done.
Thank you for watching.